Students, coming to the next topic, that is a continuation of this matrix multiplication. In the previous video I explained about the basic matrix multiplication. Now let us see the second method, that is the divide and conquer matrix multiplication. So in the divide and conquer method, to multiply two squares you have to follow some steps. Let us see what is this. First you have to divide the matrix. Divide the matrix. So the array which is in the form of matrix form, so that you have to divide the matrix, that is A and B, these two matrix, in 4 sub-matrix. So this is a divide and conquer. So first you have to divide and you have to do the multiplication. After that you have to be combined. So divide the matrix A and B in 4 sub-matrix of sizes n by 2 cross n by 2. So actually in the basic multiplication we have just taken the 2. In the basic you have taken the size of matrix is n by n. Whereas in the divide conquer method you are taking the size as n by 2 into cross n by 2. So in the basic method you have to take the size of n by n matrix, but here you have to take the sub-matrix. So total you are dividing the 2 sub-matrix is divided into 4 sub-matrix. Okay, the 2 matrix are divided into 4 sub-matrix of size n by 2 cross n by 2. So let me explain with example. Just a formula: A0, A1. Let me take this array A0, A1, A2, A3. So this is array A, the matrix A, and A cross B. The B matrix is B0, B1, B2, B3. So I divided into 4 sub-matrix. So these are the 4 sub-matrix. So now I have to do the multiplication. After sub-matrix I have to do the multiplication. A0, B0 plus A1 cross B2. Next A0. So again this is also a sub-matrix. A0, B1 plus A1 cross B3. Next A2, B0 plus A3 cross B2. A2, B1 plus A3 cross B3. Okay, so this is how you are dividing the submatrix. So this is of size n by 2, and here did you observe that here A, B, C. A, B, suppose if you take this is A cross B is equal to, you will get some R. Okay, it's nothing but, let me write here, A cross B. This is A and this is B. A cross B is equal to R. So here A, B and R are square matrix. You call it as a square matrices of size how much? Of size, normally if you take A and B only, is the size is n by n. Okay, suppose if the matrix is if A0, A1, if you consider these elements A0, A1, A2 and A3. So not complete matrix, you can take it as a size n by n, but I am taking the sub-matrix, the 4 A0, A1, A2, A3 as a sub-matrix. Suppose if you take A0, A1, A2, A3, then you call or sub-matrices. Sub-matrices of size n by 2. So this is of size n by 2. So in the same way, B0, this one, B0, B1, B2, B3 or sub-matrices of size n by 2 cross n by 2. Okay, so first method is you have to for the first step is you have to divide the matrix A and B, whatever the matrix, into 4 sub-matrix of size n by 2, n by 2. So after that what you have to do? The second step is you have to recursively calculate these statements, that is A cross B recursively. So this has to be calculated recursively. So this is the divide and conquer method. You have to follow like this. You have to divide that into 4 sub matrices. If you take the 2 by 2 matrices, you have to divide that into 4 sub matrices. Now let us see the time complexity for this time complexity for divide and conquer. Okay, so if you take that array A cross B, matrix A cross B is equal to C. Here in the previous example, whatever I have taken that A0, A1, A2, that is A0, A1, A2, A3. So this is one matrix cross B0, B1, B2, B3 is equal to, you'll get the C. This is multiplication. So here if you observe that, you'll get the total multiplications, or let me write that also. A0 cross B0 plus A1 cross B2, A2 cross B0 plus A3 cross B3, again A0 cross B1 plus A1 cross B3, A2 cross B1 plus A3 cross B3. Okay, so this is nothing but C value. So did you observe here, thus the total multiplications here is, we are finding out the time complexity. So the multiplications here, total multiplications, you are doing 8 multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 multiplications. And coming to the additions, how many additions you are doing here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 additions. Okay. So then addition of 2 matrices takes order of n square time. So it is taking the order of n square time. If you take the 2 matrices, suppose if you take the n, then the time complexity of n is 8t n by 2. So this 8 is a common, because this is the method you have to do. You have to do total multiplications like this. So 8t n by 2 plus order of n square. So you will get roughly order of, means the big O of n cube. The big O of n cube. So this is the time complexity for the divide and conquer matrix multiplication. So in the next video, I'll explain the third method, that is a Stresemann method. Thank you.